Getting some updates on the Rajkot fire incident, visitors at the TRP game zone had to sign agreement waivers, certain legal rights including the right to sue. The waiver asked visitors to acknowledge that participating in the activities can expose them to many inherent risks, dangers and hazards in fact, and the possibility of serious bodily injuries. So of course that's the latest that's coming in at this point of time. I in fact have the document with me, the waiver that we are in fact referring to. If I could request my PCR to quickly show our viewers what we are referring to. There you have it, viewers. This is of course the waiver issued by TRP, the gaming zone in Rajkot. By signing this document, you will waive certain legal rights, including the right to sue. If we quickly take a look at the lines that are written over here, in fact, I'm going to... Right, all right. It says that I hereby voluntarily assume all risks of loss, damage and inquiry, including deaths that may be sustained by me or any property of mine while at TRP go-karts and paintballs. Of course, this is what we are referring to at this point of time. And as you can see, viewers, over here, it needs to be, in fact, 4 names and 4 signatures have also been written over here. So this is, of course, the waiver that we are referring to at this point of time. The question that, of course, arises is, this is a go-kart and a paintball gaming zone where children are supposed to go. So the question that arises is, why does this waiver essentially cover all of this? Hereby voluntarily assume all risk of loss. That's the question that we are asking at this point of time. So of course, this is the waiver that we were referring to, TRP go-karts and paintball waiver. In fact, joining us at this point of time is Jayesh Soni. Jayesh, we've showed our viewers the waiver. It, of course, has to be signed by 4 individuals, as I was showing our viewers. And, you know, some of the revelations that were made during the investigation indicated to the fact that the arcade lacks proper license and fire clearances. So, of course, you know, the more details that come out, the more it becomes more suspicious. Give our viewers the latest developments that are coming in, and if you could also take our viewers through the waiver that we are referring to.
जी बिल्कुल, ये एक नई चीज निकलकर सामने आई है कि जिस तरह से ये अधिकारियों ने जो अपनी नेग्लिजेंसी दिखाई थी, इसकी वजह से उनकी सस्पेंशन हुई है। इसके साथ साथ जो लेटर अभी मिला है उसके अंदर ये दिखाया गया है कि जो भी वहां पर जाता है उससे साइन करवाए जाते हैं, उससे कंसल्ट लिया जाता है कि अगर गेम जोन के अंदर किसी भी तरह की कोई हादसा होता है और उसको किसी भी तरह का कोई नुकसान पहुंचता है तो उसके अंदर गेम जोन के मालिक या जो भी संचालक है उसकी कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है। और इस तरह से कंसल्ट लेने के बाद ही उनको वहां पर एंट्री दी जाती थी। तो ये चीज निकलकर जब सामने आई है तो कहीं ना कहीं ये डाउट क्रिएट होता है कि अकस्मात होने का, दुर्घटना होने की पूरी संभावना है। ये बात ये लोग पहले से ही जानते थे और इसीलिए वहां आने वाले लोगों से पैसा लेने के साथ साथ इस तरह का कंसल्ट भी करवा रहे थे और ये साइन भी ले रहे थे कि अगर कोई इंसिडेंट बनता है तो इसके अंदर उन लोगों की कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं रहेगी। तो ये एक बड़ी बात देखकर सामने आई है कि ये जो गुनाह उन्होंने किया है उससे बचने के लिए उन्होंने पहले से ही ये प्लान कर रखा था कि कभी भी कोई ऐसी बात होती है तो उससे वो कोर्ट के अंदर प्रूव करा सकते हैं कि उनकी कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है। लोग अपने रिस्क पर अंदर जा रहे थे और गेम जोन का जो भी गेम है वो लोग वहां पर एंजॉय कर रहे थे।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.